Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low client FPS in Valorant and boost your performance so you can get smoother, lag-free gameplay. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the main reasons your FPS might be low in Valorant. It could be because your graphics settings are too high, your network connection is unstable, background apps are eating up resources, or your game and drivers are outdated. Sometimes even corrupted files or heavy skins with effects can cause lag. So how do we fix it? Let's go step by step. Start by updating your graphics drivers and game. This one simple step can solve a lot of performance issues, since driver updates often come with important optimizations for popular games like Valorant. Next, set your PC to high performance mode. To do this, press the Windows key and R, type in powergfc.cpl, and select High Performance, and then restart your PC. This ensures your system uses full power instead of saving energy. After that, turn off Game Mode. Go to Game Mode settings from the Start menu and disable it. Even though Game Mode is supposed to help, it sometimes causes FPS drops in Valorant. Now, let's disable full screen optimization. Go to where Valorant is installed, right-click on Valorant-64-WinShipping.exe, select Properties, and under the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimization. Next, make sure the VGC service is enabled. Open MS-config from the Start menu, go to the Services tab, find VGC, make sure it's checked, and restart your PC. The service is part of Riot Vanguard and needs to run properly for the game to perform well. If your connection feels laggy, run the Windows Internet Troubleshooter. Just search Troubleshooting, go to Other Troubleshooters, then select Internet Connections, and let Windows fix any network problems. Also, close background apps. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S, right-click on unnecessary apps, and click on End Task. This frees up RAM and CPU usage. Now let's tweak Valorant's graphics settings. Go to Settings, Barrel to Video, Barrel to Graphics Set Quality, and lower everything. Material, Texture, Detail, and UI Quality all to look. Turn off VSync, Distortion, Vignette, and Shadows. Disable Enhanced Gun Skin Visuals too. If this improves your FPS, you can raise settings one by one later. Also, disable overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. These can't seriously affect performance. Finally, clean your system of junk files. Use Windows Disk Cleanup or a cleaning tool to remove temporary files that might be slowing your system down. And that's it. After following these steps, you should see a noticeable boost in your FPS and overall stability in Valorant. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you've got any other fixes that worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.